we're being asked to support the researcher's hypothesis. So we're going to highlight that task. We read on the left, researchers hypothesize that a decline in the population of dusky sharks near the mid-Atlantic coast of North America led to a decline in the population of eastern oysters in the region. Dusky sharks do not typically consume eastern oysters, but do consume cownose rays, which are the main predators of the oysters. So we're going to focus on the hypothesis. But because of the details that are provided, we should have a mental prediction here. And I'm just going to put P for prediction. In my notes, we need to show that the shark decline led to an increase in the cownose ray population, because that's what's happening from like a transitive property perspective. The sharks go down, even though they don't eat the oysters, they eat the thing that eats the oysters. So we need to show that the cownose rays did in fact increase because the sharks went down. So choice A, declines in the regional abundance of dusky sharks prey other than cownose rays are associated with regional declines in dusky shark abundance. Well, what does that have to do with the oysters, though? I need additional information for A, so we should be able to eliminate it immediately. Choice B, eastern oyster abundance tends to be greater in areas with both dusky sharks and cownose rays than in areas with only dusky sharks. Well, we aren't talking about only dusky sharks. We're talking about only cownose rays. So B has got the information kind of backwards. Then choice C, consumption of Easter oysters by cownose rays in the region substantially increased before the regional decline in dusky shark abundance began. Well, we don't care about before the decline, and if anything, this makes it seem like there was something else that caused the rays to be able to eat the oysters. So C needs additional information is kind of something that would weaken the hypothesis. There's got to be something else out there. But then choice D, cownose rays have increased in regional abundance as dusky sharks have decreased in regional abundance. Ding, ding, ding. That is absolutely the correct answer. And having that broad prediction hopefully can help you move more briskly through these argument style questions such as number 12.